Hey y'all heard the music. Y'all know what time it is. It's me, your girl, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. You might hear a little bit of an echo. The reason why you're hearing that echo is because I am not at home. I am at the place that they gave me that has water. So that's where I'm at right now. And because I'm here, guess what? You're going to hear echo because there's no furniture, no stuff like that here at the temporary apartment. But I got to bring y'all news anyway. And today they're doing a $5.95 sale on select body creams, y'all. I am excited about this sale. I'm going to see if my store is open. If they're open today, I'm going to be up in there. If not, I am going to be placing an order online because $5.95 is a good deal in my opinion for the body creams. So what body creams do I suggest? Of course, raspberry jam donut is yum goodness. So I definitely recommend that you get raspberry jam donut. Another one that I'm eyeing that I'm going to pick up today is the Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. Definitely have to add that to my arsenal. It smells amazing. I need to get the shower gel as well. That's why I'm thinking about placing an online order. That way I can just redeem a reward and get my shower gel, but I don't know. They also repackage fresh water. I noticed that last time I went to the store in Georgetown. I was like, oh my God, it's so pretty. I love the new packaging on fresh water. So if you're a man, I definitely recommend, get you some new packaging up in your life and get that. And if you're going to be ordering online, y'all already know who? Magnolia Charm. What? Magnolia Charm. You know you need that in your life, period. Like Magnolia Charm, you need to get that joint. Pink chiffon, what it do? That's my all-time favorite scent from Bath and Body Works. Definitely recommend getting that one. And one I'm going to dip my toe in, coconut lime. I'm hearing a lot of good things about it. A lot of good things. So I want to dip my toe in that lime pond and see what happens. So I will be getting that. Now, some stores is lucky. Okay, SCENTSGALORE shared with us that in select stores, they're going to have $6 miss day today. So you'll get select body care for $6. Okay, now these are the areas that's offering it. If it's your area, great. Make sure to screenshot. Go ahead and do a screenshot of this screen. That way you can check to see if your area is having this sale. So thank you, SCENTSGALORE, for sharing this with us so other people can be on the lookout that have this deal available. Of course, I had to look 10 times, wink, put my glasses off, take my glasses off, put them back on again, and do a little square little dance. Nah, Round Rock, Texas is not on the list when they show Texas. They show more of the Houston area. So, yeah, Round Rock, we ain't getting the $6 body care. It didn't happen for us. Once again, they said forget us, but that's okay. But for the areas that can take advantage of the sale, take advantage of it, especially with the weather we've been having. Treat yourself, girl. And I know some of y'all probably got y'all taxes back. Where y'all at? Let me get a loan. I'm just joking. But what is these? The new glosses, they're online right now. This is why I want to order online so I won't be disappointed. Guava with the coconut oil. Yes, please. We have mango with the coconut oil. Yes, please. There's more of them, but these are the ones I'm interested in the most. That's why I want to place an online order so I don't be disappointed because I don't want to be driving like too much today. What it do? They got restorative. Yeah, y'all know we showed that a couple weeks ago in stores, but now it's online. So the restorative cream's there. I don't know how long it's been there. I just noticed it today because I missed out on a lot of stuff showing y'all yesterday. Y'all was out of it. Happy Easter is all online. That's somebody's bae right there. That Happy Easter, Sweet Bunny Berry, somebody bae. It's probably a couple of y'all bae, but she ain't mine. I'm not claiming her, okay? This Happy Easter, I think this is super ugly. Like, I'm sorry. How do you waste one of my favorite colors? You put it in this packaging. And then this last one is the only thing I would buy, but I will buy it when it goes on sale for 75% off, is the Sweet Bunny Berry Gel, because it's not showing too many of these things, the Where's Waldo bunnies. It ain't showing too much. It ain't giving too much of that. So I can do that. Plus, it's one of my favorite colors. Now, the new soaps. Why they had to do the Waldo on that soap, though? Because I love that color of that soap. But Sweet Berry Bunny, we have Hip Hop Parade. Oh, and let's get excited. Hip Hop Hooray. Those two, I'm like, whatever. It's down for whatever. We getting those, period. Then I look at Sweet Bunny Berry. I'm like, you know what? You lucky you in one of my favorite colors. So I'm going to get one. I'm going to get one. Y'all heard me? I'm going to get one. Just because it's in my favorite color. But the packaging, I don't know what I'm going to do it. I'm going to have to put a sleeve over it so you can't really see it. I don't know what I'm going to have to do. But I'm going to do something. Okay. Now, I'm excited about this one. This is an online exclusive. Another reason why, you know what? I'm just going to place my order online. You crack me up. Okay. The Marshmallow Fluff online exclusive candle. I can redeem a reward for it. It's called You Crack Me Up. I mean, who's going to say no? You going to say no? He gonna say no. She gonna say no. None of us gonna say no. It's funny as heck. You crack me up. Like, I gotta get this. I have to. Okay. I already made my mind up. I'm gonna make me a little online order today. I don't want to hear nothing. Don't say nothing in the comments. Oh, here she go. Don't worry about me. But you crack me up? Baby, you coming home with me. Now, one thing that cracks me up, they got this little set right here, right? Why is vanilla coconut the pocket bag instead of the pocket bag for Easter? That's what's cracking me up. Bath and Body Works, don't do us like that. Why you doing us like that? Candles still on sale. Go ahead, get your $15.95 on. I'm going to get in stores today. I'm going to try to get in the store today. I'm going to call around, see if any stores open. Anybody work at any of the stores in Central Texas? Let me know in comments below. Are we open today? Because I don't even know, y'all. They was closed yesterday. The roads look a lot better, but they still were closed yesterday. So Starbucks was even closed yesterday. I almost had a heart attack. Like, Starbucks. But it ain't that serious, but I'm just playing with y'all. But if you missed my last video was my luxury perfume collection. Go check it out. Just because we like Bath and Body Works and stuff don't mean we can't like luxury. And you can get luxury for cheap. It ain't even always got to be super expensive. So go check out that video. I know the luxury videos don't get the most views because people just not into it, I guess, that much. But hey, check it out anyway, y'all. You might find a perfume you might want to try out and use up. So that's that. Now, who got that WAP? Water and power. Okay. I don't got that WAP because I ain't got the water. Well, I guess at my temporary place, I got that WAP. But at my main place, I don't got WAP. But seriously, to all the people that have water and power restored, thank you, Jesus. To the people, I think it's about 300,000 people that still don't have power. You are in my prayers, and I pray that it gets up as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Saturday edition of Candle News Network. I'm about to let y'all go because I'm about to go get my lashes done. I got to get back on the grind, and I'll see you guys in this afternoon's video. Bye, guys. Almost forgot. Hey, you funky DJ, play my music.